In today's tech video, I'm going to show you how to fix an Amazon Fire Stick that isn't working. I will go through a few steps, and if you watch all the way to the end of this video, there's a high probability that this will fix your problem. Let's go ahead and dive into this. The first thing to try is probably the easiest, and in most cases will work, and you may not need to try all the other steps. Simply unplug the Fire Stick from the wall. Wait about 60 seconds, and be sure to wait the whole 60 seconds. Don't be impatient. Then plug it back into the wall. What this does is it resets your Fire Stick and will most likely get it working back to normal. If this solves your problem, great. If not, let's go ahead and move on to the next method. Look on the back of your TV and find out where your Fire Stick is plugged into. See which HDMI input it's plugged into, whether it's HDMI 1, 2, or 3, and then go to your TV remote control. Not your Fire Stick remote, your actual TV remote control. Then press the input or the source button that your Fire Stick is connected into. If you get to this point and your Fire Stick still isn't working, then let's try replacing the power adapter. Try using one from a smartphone and replacing it with that. If it still doesn't work, then you may need to replace the cables or the adapter plug. I'll put links in the description down below of where you can get these. Well, hopefully one of these methods solved your problem. If it did, hit a thumbs up on this video and go ahead and subscribe to my channel. I make tech videos all the time, and I'd love to have you back in the next one. Take care.